What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to Nomadic Trader. Thank you for joining me one more time today. Market just opened. We're looking at the Nasdaq 100 futures. Today's all-time high. For the past 3 days, we have been in all-time high territory. So, again, one more day that we're just going to be patient, be cautious. Most likely, just going to be buying the dips. And just be very calm, cool, and collected. Today I'm trading on my Top Step account. I'm thinking about going back to my personal account, but since it is all-time high territory, I don't want to risk. I don't want to risk too much, as all-time high days are my riskiest days. I don't want to put my own account in jeopardy. So we're going to trade the Top Step account today. And I do also want to get that 150K as soon as I can. We're seeing a little bit of a sell-off right now. Prices moving down past, trying to break this volume here at 64, 65. Delta is maintaining here a little. See what happens here on Delta as price continues to maybe sell off a little. Again, stalling here at the 60s. Okay, Delta starting to break that structure, which is good. We may start to see an entry here show up pretty soon. If we get down to the 35 area here, maybe VWAP, be interested in possibly a buy. We'll see, but we will see. Quite a nice sell-off here in the first 2 minutes of the day. Let's go right back up. So let's actually pop that up. So this is actually a very risky trade for me. Just saw a nice sell-off, so I am looking for that buy-up, that nice buy-up right back up to positive 1 standard deviation. Buyers are not really stepping in, which is a little worrisome, but ES is looking strong. ES buyers look good. So we'll just wait here. We'll see again. I got in because of this nice sell-off. Thought there was going to be a buy up right off of it. But it doesn't look like we're getting that reaction here. Let's see. I do kind of want to be careful, especially because I just FOMO'd into that trade. So I definitely want to be careful in this one. ES is looking good. Buyers on ES are looking good. Really trying to push against these all-time highs here. Buyers look really good on ES. Look on the 1 minute on NAS. That is not good. Oh my gosh, that is not good. And that's what happens when you FOMO into trades, ladies and gentlemen. Even especially within the first 5 minutes of the day. We have 36 seconds till the candle closes.
Order filled.
Get another buy here. So we can get. So 5 minutes just opened, and we're continuing to dump here. So guys, I had 2 FOMO trades. Today is not going to be a good day for me. But let's hope we can. ES is breaking new highs, so hopefully NAS will follow, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I got some FOMO trades that I hopped in. So I don't know. Let's see. ES is making new all-time highs. NAS is lagging a little. See if we can get some buyers here. Again, guys, sadly, I did FOMO into both of these trades. So right now, I'm kind of just waiting to see what happens. If we can break this 35 level, we should see a rotation up to our average price. But I'm not sure right now. Since that was a FOMO, 2 FOMO entries, sadly. Again, just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen here. A lot of volume being created here. 25. Again, I think we need to break this 35 level before we make a move back to the upside. Again, guys, I don't really have much to say right now because those were 2 FOMO entries, and I'm kind of just at the mercy of the market right now to see if I'm going to get filled or not. Buyers are not looking too terrible. ES buyers look insane, and ES is breaking new all-time highs. So hopefully NAS will follow as well. Again, I am, of course, price goes right up to our average price, average entry, and is rejected right off of it. So that's always fun to see. Got a minute 20 till this candle closes. 28 lot at 31. I'll run through quite quick. Again, this is where emotion starts to kick in. 45 seconds till this candle closes, and we're going to be in this trade for a little bit. Delta seems to be maintaining for the meantime, but that can quickly change. Um, 18 seconds till this candle closes. Hopefully it's a nice close. Yes is looking awesome right now. I feel like this is going to dump on me a little more. Yeah, I felt it. It's definitely going to dump on me. All right, and now we just kind of hold this and see. Again, guys, I am just holding on to this because I had 2 FOMO entries, so there's no real analysis. It's just now it's just a matter of luck, and if I'm going to get filled out, and we can make a move back up to the +1 standard deviation. So yeah, guys, kind of just waiting and seeing. Yeah, there isn't much to say here. This is just really just waiting and seeing. We do have some buyers coming in here, which is good. Average first entry is at 47. So buyers are coming in here. Thinking about deleveraging a little. ES is dumping hard now, so NAS is probably gonna stab me in the back right now. Or stab me straight in the face. Who knows? ES is looking really heavy. We get one more little pop. I'm gonna deleverage, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get that pop. Let's see if we can deleverage a little. Give me a nice pop. Give me a nice pop. Yes is really looking heavy. We are pinned at my average price here. Minute 24 until this candle closes. Buyers coming in. Deleverage a little.
Order filled.
That was a $20 loser. I'm perfectly okay with that. I got that deleverage, so I'm perfectly okay with that. And might as well just hold this up to all-time highs. Might as well. And now we just wait to see if we continue to make that move up. It should be about 30 points. See if we can hit all-time highs again. New candle just opened. 47 lot at 43. 38 lot at 38. He's having a little bit of trouble here. Kind of had actually a full retracement here of the previous move. Let's see if Delta can maintain here. Second entry could be worse. I'm actually not going to get in a second one here. I'll just hold this one. 217 lot at 40. That's actually crazy. Seems like it's filled. $219 lot still at 40. $220 lot still at 40. Little buy up on Nas. It's not getting pulled. Just got run through. Yes is trying to sweep the highs again. Getting a little weak as we approach the volume here at 53. Quite a few wicks to the downside. That could start to get filled here. and that are being filled as we speak. We have some wicks here to the downside that would be filled. Again, actually, Delta maintained. Delta maintained. Delta can go, or price can go down again. With Delta staying there, I will get into a second one actually. Maybe not now. Maybe we get down to like 800 or something. I'll definitely hop in a second one here. Big wicks on the 5-minute NAS that need to be filled. But as of right now, I'm kind of just waiting. I'm not doing anything, just waiting to see what she wants to do. It's getting a little weak. Again, a lot of wicks on the 5-minute. Sellers trying to step in here on NAS. I think once we sweep these lows, we should have a nice buy up again. ES is looking wow. ES is looking terrible right now. ES is looking really bad. ES is looking just atrocious. We actually may see a massive retracement today. Oh man. Okay. So let's actually put our target down back here. Yeah, let's keep it right there. ES is trying to get a little buy up, a minute 30 until this 5-minute candle closes. Still trying to make a move upwards here. Delta maintained. Delta maintained through this move. With a strong move downwards, Delta maintained very nicely here. So, you see rotation back up. Again, ideally I really want 65. Really want 65, but there are some big wicks. There are quite a few wicks on the NAS 5-minute, which is closing in about 20 seconds here. Some big wicks here that sadly may need to be filled. So that is just that's just great actually. So again, I'm kind of just waiting for a maybe a sweep of these lows for me to get into a second contract again. Sweep of these lows, then I would get into a second contract. But Until then, I am just waiting. Just waiting. Nice little buy. Buyers came in nicely. But price is just not having that strength. Yes, it's just looking just garbage right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got some buyers trying to come in, but what is this? What is this? That's crazy. That's just painful to watch. See if we get some buyers. Nice, nice. Let's get some more buyers here. I don't want to be a dick for a tick though, and just hold this the whole day and just loot, right? So I do want to try and be careful here. I'm holding this for a bit too long. Yes, just looking gross. Trying to get a little buy up on ES here. Trying to get a little buy up on ES here. Again on NAS, waiting to see if we do sweep these lows. If we do, I'll definitely rebuy in. But you see, I don't like how price is creating kind of a lower highs structure here. NAS is not really breaking new highs here, which is right, I guess, because NAS almost broke a new high here, but it never reached this previous high. So 170. Wow, these are big orders that are showing up here on the DOM. Buyers again trying to step in here. Once again, big wicks are being formed here on the 5 minutes, so that is not very comforting at all. At all. So really you want to be careful on that one. And I may actually just move my order down here just to be conservative, and just to get out of the trade as well, because we were looking very, very weak here. This doesn't look too good, but well, maybe Delta's looking all right. Delta's not looking terrible. Delta's holding up, which is nice. ES is trying to catch a bid right now. A minute 11 till this candle closes. So let's see what we can do here. See what kind of movement we can get. Hopefully Delta can break through this resistance here. But again, let's see. Let's wait and see here. I really, really want this 65 target, man. I really, really want this 65 target because I feel like we're gonna get it. I feel like we're gonna get it eventually because we're at all-time high days. So, and Delta's looking good, man. Delta's looking good. Delta's looking strong. Maintained every low here. Maintained it. And now with virus coming in, it just looks even better. But again, I don't want to be too greedy, too greedy. I want to be a little greedy, but not too greedy to where I and give away all my profit. All right, 4 seconds till the candle closes, and it's not going to be a strong close. So that's going to be a little risky. It's a little risky. I do want to at least see us retest here. That would be ideal. Hopefully we can get it. Again, Delta is maintaining. Delta is maintaining right here. Yes, it's trying to. These short-term lows again. There are big wicks on 5-minute NAS that need to be filled. So we're kind of just waiting to see if they actually do get filled here. Because if they do get filled, I feel like we can see a nice move back up to this previous high. And I would actually be interested in getting into a second contract here. But we are kind of just pinned at volume here. You can't really see it on that chart, but you can see it here. We are really just pinned at VWAP. So compression leads to expansion. And we're just waiting to see which side we expand to. So I actually don't mind. Sorry guys that I keep moving my target up and forth, because that's literally what's going on in my head. I'm like, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So sorry guys. That's just the reality of trading. Emotions really kick you in the behind when it comes to trading. But be patient. I've been patient this entire time, so might as well be a little bit more patient. And since I'm kind of waiting for a fill of these wicks, which they don't look like wicks here, but they are wicks on the 5-minute. Since I'm kind of waiting for these to fill, I also want to be a little more patient, but I don't like these lower highs here. That is kind of a weak structure, so I would not be surprised if these wicks get filled. If not in these 2 minutes, in the near future, and possibly we may be seeing that move right now. So, and there we go, and now we're getting these wicks filled, and now I look for my second contract entry. See what we can find here. Delta is not looking terrible. It's not looking terrible here. I'm glad these wicks filled. So I'm going to buy up a second one here. Let me actually do this, because then I'll just get out both around there. That'll be fine. Pop in a second one here. Might have been a early fill. Nah, yeah, wow. Yes, it's dumping hard here. Delta broke that structure there. I'm gonna bounce off of to our second entry was 34 and 14. Okay, it's not terrible. See if we can get some buyers. See if we can get a move back up to where we were there. Yes, it's just yeah, we're gonna get stopped down here. Yes, it's just Looking so weak, man. Yes, it's just really. Yes, it's done for today. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, well, hopefully we can get back up to the 50s. Just trying to catch a little bit here. 4 minutes until the scale closes. So we did actually end up filling these wicks, which is what I was waiting for. Got in a little early. Got in around 14 here. So definitely got in a little early. Could have waited until 800. But it's alright. Now we're just what ES is catching a nice bid off of that. Sweep the lows. See if we can get some buyers to come in here and fill us out. First entry's at 34. Oh, actually, I think we're fine. Okay, that's cool. Again, kind of just waiting here, guys, to see. But this will probably be my last and only trade of the day. Because we are really just dumping right now. Oh, man. We're down big today, boys. Oh, this is going to hurt. This is going to hurt. Oh, man. I do not want that to happen. I don't want that to happen. Again, guys, kind of just waiting. Hopefully we can get back up to 50 levels. But we're looking really weak right now. Looking very weak right now. I don't want to get in a third one because that's too risky. That's too much leverage. It's way too much leverage. So into a low of 95. Yes, it's catching a little bit of a bid. Not even at our second entry. We're just at our second entry right now. "19 seconds till the scandal closes." We can get up to volume here at 20. I think that would be cool, but I don't know if we'll get there. Hopefully get a nice close. New 5 minutes is open. Not a terrible close. Not a terrible close. Could be better, but not terrible. Yes, it's catching a little bit of bid here, but buyers coming in, so that's nice. But we are still only at our second entry, so. Shoulda, coulda, woulda added a third one down here, but that would be very, very risky for me. I got my second one a bit too early here. Got my second one there. Unfortunately. So, again, if we can try and break this volume here at 30, we should maybe see 33 and then 38. And then maybe move back up to 50, but we will see. And of course, we are stuck at our average price here, which makes sense because we're right at that resistance level here. That support that turned into resistance. Hopefully we can break this resistance, but it's having some issues right now breaking through this resistance. So yeah, this is all support, and literally it's resistance now. And it's funny how I wouldn't like to see that happen. I don't like to see that happen, and it's happening right now. But I'm glad that it does happen, because then that just it makes sense. It makes sense from a neutral point of view, or a neutral standpoint, or whatever. It does make sense. That price is lagging right there at that resistance, but luckily we were able to break through it, and now we're moving right back up. Again, trying to break here 30. If we can break 30 here, that will definitely be good for us. 30 in VWAP, and hopefully we can get some good movement back up. Yes, is looking really good. Maybe actually hop out of one here.
Order filled.
Hopped out of one. Just again to deleverage. I don't know how much that trade was for, a $5 profit. So, so we got a. Oh no, we're actually down $4 today. That was a winning trade, though, I think. Yeah, it was a winning trade. 25 out of it, so it's not terrible. Buyers are looking good here. They exit soon. Well,
order filled.
So that puts us at 330, 393 on the day. Not very good. Could be worse, but not very good. That's actually not what I wanted to do, but okay. Yeah, so we're at 393 on the day. That's not too good, but I mean, it is what it is. Shoulda, coulda, woulda held a bit more. I honestly shoulda, coulda, woulda bought down here at 95, right at the bottom. Right at the bottom. That would have been ideal. That would have been ideal, but yeah. So I mean, that's just how the cookie crumbles. And we just kind of go from there. Let's see if we get another move back down. I mean, it is 10:16, guys. This is usually when I start to log off and shut off my computer, because it is getting a bit late in the day, especially now that it is summertime. Summertime is always much slower than the rest of the year, but let's see. I don't think I'm going to get into another trade today. So yeah. Again, guys, sorry about today's video. Today's video has been quite an emotional roller coaster for me. So I think you guys, hopefully you guys are still watching, but yeah, we are probably going to actually log off for today. I mean, we'll keep watching it, but I'm actually going to stop the video here. Again, guys, drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment again to see if, to let me know what you guys want to see in particular. And if there's any special strategies or questions you have about my strategy, I can do my best to answer them. And of course, here we are moving up. Obviously, I'm not in the trade, but we're always moving up because the market is always moving. So, again, guys, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.